Hi guys, welcome back to another nail vlog. Today we're gonna be changing my current set and making a new nail set. I've had these on for 3 weeks now, and as you can tell, these two have popped off. These two literally came off this morning, and my other nails are kind of lifting as well. Some of my nails are lifting, some are not, so I could technically go along with this for one more week, but I am bored, so we're gonna change this set. I really love this set this time. It was very spring, very March. It still is March, but I'm gonna switch it on. I cut my nails short with a nail cutter just because I find that removing when you've cut them shorter is faster and easier too. It takes up less product, less time. And also, I don't like removing. It's a lot of work, which just feels like troublesome and takes a lot of time, especially when you're doing it to your own nails. It's just more work, but unfortunately I do need to remove them. I was very tempted to like tear this off because it's lifting so much, but that's not a good idea. So guys, never ever ever tear your nails off. That's how you damage your nail plate. If you don't tear it off, if you get your nails removed the proper way, like go to salon and get them removed the proper way, your nails will not be damaged. But if you tear them off at home, your nail plate is gonna get damaged. So I have my dust collector and my e-file here. I'm not gonna film me removing it just because I need to focus a lot when I'm using the e-file with the remover. You may want to make sure you don't touch it to your skin because it will cause you to bleed. But normally I use this when I'm removing, I use this in the reverse position, and I usually turn it up to like this speed. It doesn't have numbers here, but like over here, between here and here, that is what I'm comfortable with when it comes to doing it on my own hands. When I do it for like other people, I use it on a lower speed just because I don't want them to burn. I will film like a small process of me removing the nail gel, but then I will turn the camera off.
Fifteen minutes later. 1 week later.
So I removed my nails a week ago and I got too lazy and I was like, I just kind of wanted a break from doing gel. I have not had my nails bare, like my nails have been like completely by themselves bare like for 9 days now, and literally in 2 years I have not had my nails gel free for so long, and honestly it felt a bit weird but also a little refreshing. But I'm ready to do my nails again, so let's do my nails.